Okay, the fifth type of problem for circumference is when they give you the general equation or the general form. Just be careful with this one. If you have a coefficient on the variables elevated to the square, you need to divide everything by the coefficient first. Remember, you need to have the same coefficient in order to have a circumference, so they need to be the same number. So it's going to be x squared, 5 divided by 5 is 1, plus 5 divided by 5 is 1, so it's y squared, plus 20 divided by 5 is 4, 4x, minus 30 divided by 5 is 6, 6y, and then minus 40 divided by 8 is minus 8, equals 0. What do you need to do now? You need to arrange the terms inside of two parentheses and the constant outside the equation. So here you need to write x squared, y squared is going to be in the second parenthesis, then plus 4x, and minus 6y is going to be on the second parenthesis. This is a constant, a number without variables, so the minus 8 needs to go to the other side. Since it's minus 8, in this is going to be plus 8. What do we need here? Well, you have two equations and you need to complete the square in order to factorize them. What do you need to do? The 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2, and 2 elevated to the second is going to give you plus 4. Plus 4 inside the parentheses, plus 4 outside the equation. Minus 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, and 3 elevated to the second is 9. Always these numbers are going to be positive because you're elevated in a square, so you will always add a number next to the right side of the equation. What do you need to do now? Easy. Simplify it. So x square root of x squared is x, and the square root of y squared is going to be y. Then the second term is going to give you the sign. In this one is positive, in this one is negative. And the third term is going to give you the second number. For square root of 4 is 2, and you write here 2. And square root of 9 is 3, and you write here 3. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 9 is 21. And here you have the standard form. With the standard form, now you're ready to write down the center and the radius. For the center, you just need to change the sign. If you have plus 2, it's going to be minus 2. And if you have minus 3, it's going to be plus 3. And the radius, remember, is going to be the radical of the number outside. If you don't have a perfect square root, write it as a radical, and that's it. Thank you.